Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, TD Ready back on your screen once again, and in today's video I'm going to be pre-pooing using some aloe vera juice. I have a separate aloe vera juice video, but I have actually never put aloe vera on my hair on camera, if my memory serves me right. My hair scared me for a second. I was just like, what is that? Anyway, I first want to thank you guys so much for joining on to my Instagram live and my YouTube live stream. You guys were pretty excited on my Instagram. You didn't really ask me a lot of things, but once I moved on to my YouTube live, you guys were just so interactive. You're asking me important questions, and I hope I answered everyone. And I'm going to be having another live stream on Friday 7 o'clock. I hope if anything changes, I will definitely let you guys know. Please do make sure, if you're not following me on my Instagram, please do follow me on, well, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so that whenever I do post things, my YouTube posts, that they pop up onto your feed, and then you can be able to be updated in terms of time. But that's that. And then Eastern time, it will be 1 p.m, right? And then I've asked you guys, I think last week, to give me or just suggest which DIY protein treatments I could try. It doesn't have to be a protein treatment. It can be whatever DIY deep conditioner that you make at home. Please send it to me, and I want this to be a monthly thing where once a month I try out your deep conditioner or your cleansers or your pre-poos or your, I don't freaking know, shampoos and stuff. Somebody said, boy Timila said I must wash my hair with sugar, so I'm going to be doing that soon. But I first want everybody to get onto it, jump on the freaking train, okay? Jump on the freaking train already. And can you please, you can email me, you can DM me, you can leave it on this video, comment on this video down below. Write down your ingredient list. Is it avocado? Is it mayonnaise? Is it olive oil, onions, or what is it that you want me to do? I want to deep condition my hair on, when do I want to deep condition my hair? I don't know, but I'm going to deep condition my hair using one of you guys. So I'm going to pick the recipe and I'm going to try it, and I'm going to be doing that on a monthly basis. So it doesn't, if I don't pick your recipe today, don't be scared. There's still next month, and I will just randomly pick one. So please get in touch with me and do what you need to do. So I'm going to be pre-pooing using aloe vera juice. I have a separate video to show you how I separated that. I already have it as a gel right now, and I'm going to be following up with some oil, only because I've been lazy and I've been wanting to do a hot oil treatment. So I think right now I'm gonna kill, okay, we don't kill birds here, but you know that saying with the two stones and the birds, so that's what we're gonna do. I feed the birds, so that's why when I thought of that saying, I was like, no, I wake up each morning and I take care of birds. I feed birds and stuff like that. So that's what I do. So without any further ado, once going forward, you're just going to see me pop my hair, do all of the stuff, and then voice over, and I'll be discussing the benefits of aloe vera juice and all that kind of stuff. So I'll see you guys in a jiffy. Actually, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, because I'm going to sleep with a plastic bag and all that kind of stuff. So I'll see you guys in the morning to give you my results on how my hair is looking and all that kind of stuff. So let us get right into today's video. Alright, so I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into 4 sections, just using normal rubber bands and some clips. This is how my aloe vera looks like, very jelly-like, just like how I like it. And then I'm just going to start off with the pieces at the back. Just grab a decent part of your hair and then just start putting that on your hair, and your hair will immediately react. It doesn't even waste that much time. Then I'm going to put some oil, because like I already mentioned earlier on, I want to do like a aloe vera and a bit of a hot oil treatment, but I will definitely dedicate a separate video on how I do my hot oil treatments. But let us get into the benefits of using aloe vera. So, because it has fatty acids, aloe vera can help to soothe your scalp and reduce itchiness. Because also, aloe vera actually almost has the same pH as our hair, so it actually helps to balance it out and repair it. Aloe vera contains B12, vitamin A, C, and E. Therefore, it will not only strengthen your hair, but it will definitely promote hair growth. It will leave your hair shiny, soft, and it will just honestly improve the overall health of your hair. I absolutely love it for my ends. I really, really do. Even though the rest of my hair absolutely loves it too, but I do it mostly for my ends. Just because my ends are the oldest parts of my hair and they need to be taken care of. They're like my grannies and my grandpas, so I have to take care of them. You can use aloe vera as a pre-poo, or like how I'm doing right now, or you can use it in a spritzer and just hydrate your hair every now and then. And guys, please take your time whenever you're going to be detangling your hair. Be gentle. This process took me about 30 minutes to do because, as you can tell, I'm taking really large pieces of hair. And that's how my hair looked. I cannot wait to see how my hair is going to look in the morning. In the morning. And yeah, you guys already know what I'm going to do. Double bag and then sleep with this on, and then I will see you guys in the morning. In the morning. Good night, y'all. Alright, everybody, good morning. Good morning. It's a Friday day. Excuse me, I'm in my pajamas. It was like -6 last night. So I'm just gonna take this off. I use the t-shirt so that I can, oh man, look at that. This is the most ghetto shit I've ever seen in my life. Just so the water doesn't slip out. And then finally the plastic bag. Whoa, did my hair soak up all of the the aloe vera? Oh, like what's going, oh wow. God, okay, wait, minus Lola's hair. Minus Lola's hair. This is how my hair is looking. My hair feels pretty soft. It looks pretty soft. Look at that. It looks alright. Like, it looks alright. So that's how my hair looks. It feels soft and hydrated. So I'm pretty happy with the shine also. That's how the shine looks like. So that's how my hair looks this morning. I'm going to rinse this out and then come back and give you guys a view on how my hair, oh, I have hiccups, how my hair is looking right after I wash it. So give me a second and I'll be back in a jiffy, like real quick. Okay y'all, so I just washed my hair and this is how I'm looking. This is how my hair looks right now. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. My ends are pretty defined, just like so. You see that? This is why I was actually doing the pre-poo, just so the aloe vera pre-poo, just so my ends can get hydrated, because I was struggling with dry ends. But I knew that, aloe vera has properties that hydrate your hair, and that's why I decided to do a aloe vera pre-poo. But my ends are happy, y'all. My ends are happy. I'm happy. Freaking Lola's hair. I'm happy with how everything turned out. My hair is feeling moisturized, so I'm going to shampoo my scalp. Well, yeah, I'm going to shampoo and then do the rest of my wash day off camera. But this is how my hair had turned out. I really like it, and I really suggest that you guys start getting into using aloe vera, especially if you suffer from a dry scalp. Like I already mentioned in the voiceover, it has great benefits, including helping you reduce your dandruff. So that's it. I don't have much to say. I don't want to make this too long, so I'll see you guys in my next one. And I'm going to be moisturizing using I'm still reviewing, like off camera, reviewing the Afro Botanics hair growth that moisturizer. So I'm going to be twisting my hair with that today, and with some oils, and then I should be good to go. So I'll thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to submit your DIY deep conditioners for me. And I'll see you guys on Friday on my live stream at 7 o'clock South African time and 1 p.m. Eastern time. So love you guys. See you soon. See you soon. My teeth look really white today. I wonder why. Okay, bye.